Hello, everyone. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Teacher Casey today. I am here for a quick how-to tutorial for Creative Fabrica and Siser. So last month in July, yes, last month, that was a month. Wow. They had a giveaway. So if you joined for $47 for all your access, or you extended your yearly subscription, then you are going to be sent a gift from Siser. So I wanted to take you through the steps really quick to show you how to do it. So the first thing that I did was to find my email and click through the steps that way. I'll just tell you really quick how I did that one. So I went to my email. I found an email. I just typed in my search, Creative Fabrica, Siser. I've been calling it Siser, so I've been wrong, but it is Siser. And the email was titled, "Thank you for extending. Claim your free gift." Okay. So this is due by the 20th, guys. So you only have 2 more days to get it done. So I wanted to show you really quick. I went through that and you can follow the steps, or you can go to creativefabrica.com/Siser, Siser. All right. So guess I can just show you from there. I'm going to log in to Creative Fabrica right now so you can see, and I'm going to share my screen. All right, you should see it. And here it is, claim your free gift. Super easy. I clicked on it, and then a document will come up. It's a Google Doc, and you just fill it out. Basically, you need your email. You need to fill out shipping information, your shipping details. You choose your gift based on your residence and the order number. So I'll show you where to find all that. My email, you all know my email, casey.oswald@gmail.com. And then I purchased my yearly access. Yes, I did. It was July 13th, I believe. I agree that my details can be shared. Not my favorite thing to do, but let's see. I understand that my all access extension purchase is non-refundable after claiming this gift. Okay. Which gift would you like to claim? So this is based on where you live. I live in the US, contiguous. And then I will not add these details here in front of everybody, but I will add them in just a moment. Next, I confirm that I have filled out my address to the address where I would like the gift to be shipped. And then you need your account number. Just go, went to, oops. All right, can you see me? Okay, you're going to go in and at the top left, that is not where it took me to last time, so I will have to blur that out. But on the screen, when you click on that, it will take you to the top left. It shows account number, and you're just going to use that number for your account number. So basically, or you can go into your profile. That's what I originally did. That's where it took me to last time. This time I clicked on it and it took you to my personal information, which I'm going to have to get rid of before posting this. So it's not planning on editing today, but I guess I will. All right. So basically, I've always gone to my profile and it was in the same spot on the left. Okay. Next, you will need your account order information. So let me see if I can pull that up without showing everything. Okay, I'm going to share my screen again. Here we go. All right, now you can see a couple of orders that I've had. I'm going to click on the subscription. This is the subscription here. You can see I paid $47. And this is the one on the 13th, which is in the date of when they were giving the giveaway. This is the order number that I need. Okay, that's it, guys. You just fill it all out and confirm your information and send it away. You want to do it again before August 20th. That is the deadline. All right, everyone, thank you so much for coming, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Have an awesome day. Bye.